Let's take a look at this problem. We want to factor this. So we got AR plus AU plus RY plus UI. Now, to review a factoring, our first technique is GCF. We always try to do that. That's greatest common factor. Our second technique is grouping. That's when you have four or more terms. Our third one is PSD, and this is when you got the form of x squared plus bx plus c. This is where you have an x squared, an x, and no number in front of your x squared. Key number is the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And this is where you have x squared, x, no x, and there's a number in front of your x squared. Our fifth one is dots. This is where you got two terms with a minus between them. Now that's the difference of two squares. Our sixth one is difference of two cubes, which is two terms with a minus between them. And our seventh one is sum of two cubes, two terms with a plus between them. So if we start going down through our list, first thing we look for is a GCF. If I look at all four terms, they have nothing in common. Some of them have Y's, some of them have A's, some of them have R's, but all four terms have nothing in common. Start going through my list, and grouping is when you have four or more terms. Well, we have four or more terms here. Now with grouping, we'll group first two terms together, and we'll group the last two terms together. Now looking at only the first group, I look for the GCF, and I see they both have an A in common. So I can factor that out, and that gives us R plus U. Now for my second group, I see they have a Y in common, so I'll factor out a Y, the GCF, and that leaves us R plus U. Now our goal was to get this parentheses the same as this parentheses, which they are. So I'm going to factor that out in front. So we're going to have R plus U. Now to decide what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can come up with the previous line and cross out the R plus U's. And what isn't crossed out is what goes right here, which would be A plus Y. And that would be your answer.